Welcome to the best picks. The best watch repair toolkit is probably one of the most essential investments for any watch enthusiast, from hobbyists carefully restoring vintage timepieces to professional watchmakers handling intricate repairs. This comprehensive kit provides all the necessary tools for various watch repair tasks, ensuring precision and efficiency in every step of the process, making even the most complex repairs manageable and accessible. Number 5. Ohuhu 192 PCS Watch Repair Kit. It's time to unveil this comprehensive kit, meticulously designed for both beginners and seasoned watch enthusiasts. Everything you need is here, neatly organized for easy access. This kit boasts an impressive array of tools, from screwdrivers and tweezers to a case opener and spring bar tool. You'll be prepared for almost any watch repair task. It's adaptable to various watch sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of timepieces. The magnetic screwdriver is a real time saver, simplifying the process. The durable PU leather case keeps everything organized and easily transportable. Take it with you wherever you go for convenient repairs. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. Extra replacement parts are included, ensuring longevity and reliability. This kit makes an excellent gift for any watch enthusiast or hobbyist. It's a thoughtful present for someone who appreciates quality tools. What we like. It has almost every tool you may need for any type of watch. Its adjustable case opener fits various watch sizes, saving you money on specialized tools. If you're a serious watch enthusiast or professional, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. This watch repair kit is excellent for the beginner. This kit includes all the tools required for a complete watch repair, from fixing bands to taking out links. The Ohuhu 192 PCS Watch Repair Kit has truly been a lifesaver for anyone who enjoys tinkering with timepieces. The variety of tools provided is impressive. From spring bar tools to precision screwdrivers, every essential tool for watch repair is included in this comprehensive kit. The quality of the tools is top-notch, sturdy and durable. They have proven to be reliable even for intricate repairs. The organized and compact case makes it easy to keep everything in order. I was quite impressed with the quality and the variety of tools in this set. I used a big wrench to take off the back watch cover and it worked. Lots of other useful tools, like a double-edged pick to help get the battery in and out. Number 4. MMOBIEL Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for quick and easy watch repairs. It's perfect for watchmakers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Easily remove and replace watch band links with the included pin remover tool. Say goodbye to frustrating adjustments. This kit simplifies the process of adjusting your watch band to the perfect fit. No more struggling with tiny pins. The tools are made from durable steel, ensuring long-lasting use and precision. It's built to last. This kit comes with extra pins and a spring pusher, providing everything you need for a complete repair. You'll be prepared for any watch repair. Whether you're a professional watchmaker or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Get the job done right. What we like. This tool is designed for ease of use, even for beginners. The steel punch ensures precision and durability. If you are looking for a simple yet effective solution for watch band adjustments, this is the one for you. What people say. The adjusting feature for different watch thickness. Super simple and easy to use. Leaves very little room for error marking up the watch band, etc. It works very well. I suggest you be patient with it a bit while doing it. You have to slowly turn and push it in and it won't break. Number 3. HNS Alliance Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for watch repairs. It's perfect for adjusting watch bands and more. Easily remove and add watch links with the included tools. No more struggling with awkward sizing. This kit includes a specialized tool for safely removing watch backs and pins. It's designed for precision and ease of use. Open watch cases with confidence using the included case opener. It's a must-have for any watch repair project. Adjust watch straps and bands to the perfect fit. It's simple and straightforward with this kit. This kit provides everything you need for a complete watch repair. Save money and time by doing it yourself. What we like. It focuses on the essential tools for watch sizing and back removal. The case opener makes accessing the inside of your watch easy. If you need a straightforward kit for basic watch repairs and adjustments, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a essential for any watch lover. Great tool kit for repairing watches. My son-in-law has found several ways he can use it. Everything a watch owner would need to conveniently maintain, repair, and adjust a wide range of watches. Number 2. Ohuhu Watch Press Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for professional watch repair. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced watchmakers. It includes 12 different sized dies to fit a wide variety of watches. These durable dies are made from scratch-resistant ABS plastic. 10 protective films are included to safeguard your watch face during repairs. The upgraded pry bar makes opening snap-off watch cases easy. Tweezers for precise work and a microfiber cleaning cloth are also provided. These tools make the repair process easier and more efficient. The sturdy cast iron construction ensures stability during use. It's built to last and provides a reliable platform for your repairs. What we like. This kit boasts a variety of dies to fit many watch sizes and includes protective films to prevent scratches. The sturdy watch press ensures a secure and damage-free repair. If you frequently work on watch case backs, this specialized tool is a must-have. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of components, including a watch press, back case closer, watch back remover tool, 12 dies, tweezers, case back protective films, and a cleaning cloth. The watch press itself is sturdy and well-built, providing the necessary pressure to securely close and open watch cases without damaging them. The 12 dies cover a wide range of case sizes, making this set versatile enough for different watch models. The tweezers included in the set are of high quality and add a level of precision to the toolset. They prove invaluable when handling small watch components, ensuring that you can work with intricate parts with ease. Number 1. Vastar Watch Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need for basic watch repairs. It includes tools for opening cases, removing watch bands, and replacing batteries. It's perfect for adjusting straps, replacing bands, and even opening the watch case to replace the battery. Save money and have fun maintaining your watch yourself. These tools are made from durable, high-quality stainless steel. They're built to last and easy to use. This kit comes in a nice carrying case, making it an ideal gift for any watch enthusiast. It's thoughtful and practical. We stand behind our products with excellent customer service. If you have any questions, we're here to help, with a detailed manual and video tutorials. Get yours today and start enjoying the convenience and satisfaction of repairing your own watches. What we like. This kit provides a wide array of tools for various watch repair tasks. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. If you want a reliable and versatile kit without breaking the bank, this is an excellent option. What people say. This kit has already paid itself off, including buying a replacement battery at my local grocery store. The kit seems well made and has everything you need for basic watch repairs, maintenance, band adjustments, etc. Adjusted bands to fit my wrist. Replaced batteries. Put new pins where they went to either hold watch face in place, or to hold bands together. Help me to unscrew the back of a watch to replace battery, and the watch holder is ideal for holding watch in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.